The astrolabe, an instrument with a past and a future. The Hight who invented the astrolabe, Hipparchus, was a Greek astronomer, geographer and mathematician. He lived in the Hellenistic period. He was the first Greek whose quantitative and accurate models for the motion of the sun and moon survive. The development of the astrolabe was developed by Ptolemy 3 centuries later. Ptolemy was a Greek astronomer, geographer and mathematician. He probably lived and worked in Alexandria, Egypt. He lived from about 85 to 165 AD. The astrolabe in Islamic period. The astrolabe was highly developed in the Islamic world by 800 and was introduced to Europe from Islamic Spain and Andalusia in the early 12th century. It was the most popular astronomical instrument until about 1650. The constituents of the astrolabe. Rule: it is used as a pointer during calculations. Ecliptic ring: the most obvious object in the sky is the sun. Red: indicate important bright stars. Plate: the climats, or plates, which sat on top of the mater, were discs that had lines etched onto them. Lim: is graduated in hours and degrees. Mater: the main part of the instrument, which is a kind of foundation on which other elements are fixed. Aladad: allowed the observer to calculate the altitude of the object. The use of the astrolabe. Astrolabes are used to show how the sky looks at a specific place at a given time. This is done by drawing the sky on the face of the astrolabe and marking it so positions in the sky are easy to find. 1. To solve many astronomical problems that would otherwise require rather sophisticated mathematics. 2. To tell time during the day or night. 3. To locate celestial objects in the sky. 4. To determine aspects of horoscopes. 5. Determine the hour and direction of sunrise or sunset at a given date. 6. Determine the instant where the sun will have a given azimuth. 7. Determine the instant of culmination of a star on the red. 8. Islamic instruments often had special scales for finding the direction to Mecca, Qibla, and for determining prayer times. How to use the astrolabe. The time of a celestial event such as sunrise, sunset or the culmination of a star is found by setting the astrolabe to the circumstances of the event and reading the time. Step 1. Determine the sun's position on the ecliptic longitude. Step 2. Set the rule to that position on the ecliptic on the front of the astrolabe. Step 3. Rotate the ret and rule to go until the desired event is in position. For example, to find the time of sunrise, rotate the ret and rule until their intersection is right on the eastern horizon. Read the time from the rule's position on the limb. The length of the day can be found by finding the time of sunrise and sunset and calculating the difference. Similarly, the time until sunrise and sunset can be found as the difference with the current time.